What does an HVAC tune-up include? An HVAC system can appear to be working normally even when scheduled maintenance is due. A professional tune-up gives technicians an opportunity to inspect, clean, test, and adjust key system components as part of regular HVAC maintenance. An HVAC tune-up includes inspecting, cleaning, testing, and adjusting key heating and cooling system components to help keep the system operating properly. Services typically include inspecting the air filter and replacing it if needed, performing a visual inspection of the system, cleaning and testing the circulating fan, inspecting and cleaning the AC coils, checking refrigerant levels, testing the compressor, inspecting the heat exchanger, and cleaning and adjusting the burners. Homeowners in Mokena often schedule HVAC tune-ups before peak heating and cooling seasons to help prepare their systems for changing weather conditions. Regular maintenance also gives technicians an opportunity to inspect key components and identify developing issues during the service visit. If you are planning HVAC maintenance in Mokena, contact Allegiance Heating and Cooling to schedule an HVAC tune-up. Professional HVAC tune-up services include inspecting, cleaning, testing, and adjusting key heating and cooling system components.